Hello everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Power Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at Euro Dollar, which has continued actually in the last sort of week or so to improve. And you had that slight negative candle on Friday, but the interesting fact is that 1724 was Friday's low, and it's sort of recovered from that, and that was arguably this sort of breakout level. On the daily chart it looks around 1715, but basically what we have on the hourly chart is between 1710 and 1750. You've got this whole sort of range of support really following on from the breakout, and you've just dropped back into that support and bounced again, so that you've got a nice support band that is holding now. You've got the improvement that's taken on board with the improving moving averages. They're all rising now on the hourly chart as well, and I think that you take on board the fact that we are still improving on the daily chart momentum indicators. So you're trading above the 21-day moving average, which is again a positive, and it is still all part of this building process, but I think there is overhead resistance between 1820 and 1840 that we now need to break through. 1820, so back on the daily chart, 1820 was this key reaction low that we saw back in May that has become a basis of resistance of overhead supply. 1830 was a later reaction high in May, and then 1840 that we saw last week. But I think that basically between those two resistance levels, if you can get a breakout above that, certainly on a closing basis, then you'd be up and away back towards 120 figure again. But I think this little corrective move is a chance to buy. It's a decent sort of pull back into support, and the market has responded well. You've held on to a fairly positive configuration, not necessarily as positive as it was, but still positive nonetheless on the hourly momentum indicators. So looking decent, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Fred!